Good morning, ninth B boys. This is the first chapter in the Max book. Number 1, set language. Okay, this is your first page. This is your first page. See, the chapter given here is set language. What is given here? Set language. Okay, now in the same page, you come to the introduction. See, set language is a mathematical way of representing a collection of objects. I repeat, set language is a mathematical way of representing a collection of objects. Okay. Set language is collection of objects. Any type of objects you can collect. Okay. But it is a mathematical way of representing a collection of objects. For example, flowers, fruits, vegetables, numbers. In numbers we have there are different type of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers. See, all this is a collection. These are all a collection. Okay, this is called as set, but we are representing that set in a mathematical way. It is called a set. Okay, now you take page number 2. In page number 2, you see here is a diagram given, figure 1.1. In the figure, what do you have? It is the picture of grapes, apples, and then banana is given. Now this set, set, what can you give the name? You can say it is the collection of fruits. Coming to the second diagram, we have TV, fan, bulb, and then iron box. What can you name this figure? Yes, very good. It is collection of electric items. Okay, so what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. What is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. You come to this box. Which of the following are sets is given? Which of the following are sets? Collection of natural numbers. It is a set. You can collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. The second one, collection of English alphabets. A, B, C, D up to Z. Collection of good students in the class. C, collection of good students in the class. Who are all good students in your class? Can you tell them? Yes, you can't tell them because each one is good. So the word good is not described properly, which means you cannot answer for this question. Collection of good students in the class. The word good is not described properly because in the set, the first word itself well defined. It should be well defined. The word well should be defined well. Okay. So here the word good is not defined properly. Therefore, there is no answer for this. Therefore, it is not a set. Coming to fourth one, collection of states in our country. Of course, we can collect. We can say it is a set. Then collection of beautiful flowers in the garden. Collection of beautiful flowers in the garden. See, beautiful flowers. Someone like jasmine, someone like kanakambaram, someone like marigold. Okay, so the word beautiful is not described properly. It is not well defined properly. Therefore, collection of beautiful flowers in a garden is not a set. Collection of good students is not a set. Collection of beautiful flowers in a garden is not a set. Whereas the first, second, and fourth are sets. Okay, boys, this is fourth set. Coming here, notation. Coming here, a notation. A set is usually denoted by the capital letters of the English alphabets A, B, P, etc. Okay. Then the elements of a set is written within the curly brackets. See the curly brackets, how it is given. Okay. Coming here, if X is an element, that is, you must learn this symbol. You must write like E. It is called belongs to. X belongs to A. X belongs to A. If that element is not in A, then we write this way. We just strike out. Okay. X does not belongs to A. Okay. This you should learn. Then representation of a set. We are having three types of representing types of representing the set. First one is descriptive form. So in the descriptive form, a set is described in words. Described in words. This is the first one. Then second one, set builder form or rule form. So in a set builder form, all the elements are described by the rule. Okay. Then third one, roster form or tabular form. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set by listing. So there are three steps, three ways of representing the step. Then this symbol, dot, upper one dot, down one dot, or one slash, one line, one slanting line. This is called as such that. Okay. Now, in your notebook, you put a proper notebook for mathematics, and then first write set language and put today's date. Copy down this. What is a set? Answer. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Example, collection of English alphabets. It is a set. Number 2, collection of beautiful flowers. It is not a set because the word beautiful is not well defined. Next, write notation. First one, you must write like this. Mari podano, not E. You must put like C, and then in the middle you must draw a line. It is called belongs to. Then 2 dots like this or slash. This is called such that. Then this is curly brackets. Okay boys, this is curly brackets. Then representation of a set. Representation of a set. First one, descriptive form. It is described in words. Second one, set builder form or rule form, described by a rule. Then third, roster form or tabular form, described by listing. Okay boys, so please copy down these 3 in the notebook. Please copy down these 3 in the notebook. Thank you.